I'm really excited about getting back to in-person events. It's been 2 years since the KBIS and International Builders Show came together in Las Vegas. It's been about 4 years since we've been back here to Orlando. We're really excited about our plans for the digital extension of KBIS 2022, both in person here in Orlando as well as online. Attendees will be able to participate in sessions on demand, as well as see the exhibitors' new products online. They'll be able to connect with exhibitors through our new matchmaking system that we're deploying for the show.
We look at it as being a wonderful platform for extending everything that's going to happen here during KBIS 2022. I don't look at it as competing with the show, I actually look at it as complementing the show. And it'll never replicate that in-person experience. But what we've done is we're adding additional tools and resources to make your experience even better. So I think all these tools in aggregate are going to create an even better experience as we head into 22.
We have a lot of key brands that have committed to the show. Brands everybody knows and loves like Kohler and GE, Signature Kitchen Suite, Samsung. The presence that the manufacturers bring here, and when they come to market, that the presence they bring, the thought and the time they put into their displays, the scale that this show is on is just unbelievable.
We have people coming from Australia, from England, all over the world. And I would love to be able to say there's one reason to come, but there's not. There's so many different reasons to come because you sometimes find that one product, that one nugget that sets your business apart, changes the direction of what you're doing. That's what makes it so special. It's not one thing for one person, it's everything for everybody in our business.
And the opportunity for our exhibitors to show their latest products right in front of the attendees can reach out and touch the products, they can ask questions about the products, they can get answers to their questions, they can talk to each other, they can network. There's an energy, there's a buzz about that can't be replaced online. We're human beings, we touch, we smell, we taste, we can have drinks together, we can go out to dinner together, we can see each other smile, and that's really critical. This is a very social industry. It's about doing business with people, with clients. In order to do that, you need to be able to see those products firsthand, and you want to see them right here on the trade show floor. And it's so efficient in terms of time and energy, going one place at one time to see hundreds and hundreds of manufacturers and thousands of colleagues come together and have a great experience. That's why I'm excited about getting back together here at KBIS and International Builders Show at Design and Construction Week 2022.